Welcome back to another video, guys. For those that are new, I'm Brittany and I make fashion-like content, but more importantly, welcome to my channel. As you guys can tell, I am in my coaching uniform. For those that don't know, I am a coach. I coach little girls U9s now in soccer, so hi coach. As y'all can see, I got no makeup on. Yeah, so for this video, I just decided to clean my shoes, and I feel like this is just so random because I'm like really focusing on fashion, but when I did my sneaker collection, I looked at my shoes and they were just disgusting. And to be completely honest, I've just been so busy. As you guys can tell, like I just literally just finished coaching. And I'm just so busy. Like I'm so busy with life right now that I didn't know what video to do. So I was sitting there after I got off work waiting to go coach, and I was talking to my family. I was like, I don't know what type of content to do because I don't want to just do something like, I didn't want to like put out some random video, but I also wanted to put out a video just because I feel like being consistent, which I have been doing this month except for 1 week. I've seen like a lot of engagement with my channel. I need to continue, I need to be consistent, and I need to put out something fashion-like. But my mom like suggested, because she did watch my last video or my sneaker collection, she's like, why don't you just clean your shoes? And I was like, honestly, because the way my brother cleans his shoes, it works. So I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna tell you the little secret because he cleans his Yeezys, yes, his white Yeezys with them, and he like swears by them. So we gonna see if his cleaning methods work on my shoes, because if you watch my sneaker collection, you know some of my white shoes be crusty and dusty and just need so much help. But I also thought I could just like sit down, clean my shoes, like show you what I use, and for you guys to get to know me and just talk about random stuff. So anyways, let's get into this video. So if you guys notice my nails, like I've just been so busy, like I haven't even gotten my nails done. Like look at this, like a girl needs some help. And I can't even find time in my day to get nails done. Like, but I'm gonna sit here for a little bit, and I'm gonna talk to y'all and clean my shoes, and hopefully, you know, we can make some shake. With that being said, I'm using I got some warm water, and the thing my brother swears by and swears that works, and honestly, I think this honestly works because this, like, hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me put y'all on something, because Mr. Clean Magic, what is it called? Magic Eraser. Like, can we focus? Yes. Yes, baby. Like this right here actually works. Like, and I'm excited to use them on my shoes. I think I've done it like maybe once or twice before, but let me tell you what I had to use these for. So like one time, it wasn't like racing or anything, I actually crashed, not crashed, but it's a little story time. I was reversing my dad's truck, and my dad's truck is black. For those, I mean, who would know that? But anyways, my dad's truck is black, and I was reversing it into our driveway, okay? And usually when things happen like this, like I've crashed, not crash, that sounds bad, like that sounds really dramatic, but when I've crashed the car, it's been twice now, and one on the Honda, one on the truck, and it's always just myself. Like there's no other person a part of the accident, it's just always myself. And it's just like, I was just like, what? So I reversed in to the driveway with the truck. Mind you, it has a backup camera, you know, everything's set. Everything is supposed to be set, right? I backed up, and tell me how I scratched this side of the car. Like, what? Not even the back. I scratched the side. And so I looked and it was literally white. Like, I was like, oh my god. It was like so noticeable, and I was like freaking out because I did not want my dad to kill me. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, what am I going to do? Searched it up on YouTube. YouTube is the plug. And someone said magic eraser. I was like, I got that because my mom bought all these for my brother because he cleans his shoes like seems like every day, like how much he cleans his car. So I used one of those and it got the scratch out within seconds. And I was like, oh, thank you. So we're gonna try it on my shoes. Anyways, we're gonna try with something light, probably my Air Forces, because I already know them. They are nasty and crusty. So this is, yeah, they need some help. I don't know if we can focus. Please focus for me. There we go. They don't look that bad, but like they can be like so much better, I feel like. And then hopefully eventually we gonna get to these crusties. Which, I mean, they're still my babies, my Vans. I don't even know if you guys can you guys see that? My ring light is like so bright. But we're gonna get to these bad boys. I don't know if these can be, you know, transformed into a new shoe, but we're gonna try. And the reason I have to have a ring light and all this stuff is because I'm doing this video at night, which that is the only time I have. I wish I could do it during good lighting, good prime time, golden hour, stuff like that, but like I'm working, so I can't really do that. Anyways, I'm soaking my magic eraser in the warm water, and the one I'm using, there's like a couple of them. It's the blue one. It says kitchen, grease fighting power. There's one that says extra durable. That's just a plain one. There's one that's purple. It's Febreze. The blue one is Dawn. The purple one is actually for removing, it's for the bathroom. So, but I'm using the Dawn one just because it's ripped. I'm guessing my brother has already used it. And we're just gonna go in and we're gonna see what happens. But anyways, yeah. I just wanted to make this video as like a get to know me, because I feel like it's always nice to like connect. I don't know, I feel like you guys just don't know me, like even though I do be putting out videos like that, like I don't know, you guys still don't really know me like that, you know. I just finished work. I worked all day, and then I got home and I changed and went to coaching. So that is really my life for Tuesday. Tuesday and Thursdays. My week is just super hectic. And then, as you guys know, I try to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So finding time to film during those times, or like during the week, is super hard. And it's definitely time consuming. Like, I mean, I know it's easy watching a YouTube video and be like, oh, that was easy. But like, for YouTubers to do it consistently is just, like, that's a job. It's a job, and I wish I could treat it as a job, but let me tell you, I just don't have the funds for that. I wish I could quit everything and just be like, I'm just gonna focus on YouTube, but honestly, I don't think I would stop coaching, just because even though I never wanted to get into coaching. Isn't that funny? Like, I've played soccer all my life, but I just never thought I would be able to coach, just because coaching is so much different from actually playing. Like, it's one to do it, like I can play it, but showing or explaining how I do things is just super hard for me. So I think this is done, to be completely honest. I need a towel. Alrighty, so I got a towel just like I use normal towel that I have in my house. And we just gonna wipe it off. Honestly, what the heck? Are you kidding me? These look good. Oh, there's a little scuff at the top here. Let me see if I can get that out. I already mashed up this little thing. This little magic eraser. But hey, my brother swears by it, and honestly, it's doing the job right now, so I can't even, like, complain about it. But yeah, so, I mean, filming right now is a bit difficult. I have like a lot of videos planned, but it's just finding the time to do it is just another thing that I have a problem with, because sometimes I do work on the weekends also, and that's kind of the times where I have the most free time, so I tend to film then. But dang, hold on, this look nice. I can't even lie. Ooh, this look good. I wanted to really come on here and just like ask y'all, like, because I know more people are subscribing, and again, like in every other video, I just want to say thank you. But I just like want to know what type of videos do you guys want to see, because honestly, I can put out like so many, but it's just like if you guys are not gonna like it, why would I do that, you know? And I feel like making fashion like videos anyways is just so much fun and like definitely challenging for me, just because I feel like I'm always trying to find my style, because I feel like there's just so much you could do. There's so many different styles. There's already so many different styles, but like finding your own like unique style, I feel like is just super cool to me. Like if you would have asked me like years ago when I was like back in high school, if I ever like thought about fashion, I would tell you heck no, it's all about soccer. Just because back then I didn't even know how to I didn't know how to dress at all. Like I would just wear what's it called? I just wear tracksuits and all that stuff, hair in a bun 24/7. Like I was that type of girl. Like look how clean she be looking. Oh my gosh. What? Yo, this look brand new. Where's the other one? Whoa, I feel like you could really tell a difference. Like, look at, hold on. Let me switch them around. This one's the clean one, okay? Like, can you focus, please, for just a sec? Like, look how dirty that is, and then look how clean that is. Like, what? That's crazy. And that took with, like, literally seconds, honestly. I mean, I might have to scrub a little more, but that looked clean. I can't even lie. Hey, clean shoes. Hey, I'm gonna try Van, because we already know how messed up these are. Like, I don't think there's saving these, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see how good a magic eraser really is. And honestly, I don't know how much this was. I probably already said this, but I don't know how much it was. But my mom got it from Costco, so she got a whole bunch. It's a variety pack of 9, so I mean, I would definitely invest in some magic eraser. Already knowing that I got a scratch out of my car, like the car. Like, what? Are you crazy? I don't know what they put up in these things, but it worked. But yeah, so I would just like to know what type of videos that you guys want to see. I'm being more active on my social media, on my Instagram, because that's honestly the only social media I really use except for YouTube. About like really asking you guys like what videos, what type of order you want me to post my videos and all that stuff. So if you don't follow me on there, definitely follow me. I definitely need to be more open to Instagram, because I'm like one of those people who's like, and even YouTube, where it's like, oh, I'm going strong, and then I just fall off because I just need some time. I need to learn how to be consistent. That is what it is. I need to learn how to be consistent. But going out and taking photos every day, which, I mean, I wish I could be like a little influencer, but the funds ain't there yet. Hopefully, one day. I have like a couple ideas that I have in mind that I was actually talking with my brother today, and we're thinking about doing like a little challenge, a little fashion challenge. So let me know if y'all want to see that, because honestly, that's who really got me into fashion, just because that boy can dress. I don't know if you guys know my brother like that, but if you guys do, you already know this man can dress. Like, he can dress. So it's like, yo, I can't be going out looking like a bum and he look good. So I'm like, yo, I have to step my game up. So that's what I've been doing. And I don't know. I'm thinking like a little challenge between us, like, you know, maybe towards the end of the month. So I'm pretty sure the outsides have gotten a lot cleaner. Like, I can't even lie. It's just on the fabric part now is where it's kind of like looking like it's not going anywhere. But I'm gonna continue. I forgot it's Thursday. Anyways, it's football Thursday, and for those that don't know me, I love me some football. Like, I freaking love football so much that I need to turn on the game, even though who's playing, so I gotta watch the game. Gotta watch it, even though this ain't my team right now, but I gotta watch it. So I'm gonna pull that up and still continue to clean, plus also talk to you guys, so I'm just gonna multitask. What time the game come on at? Some right now. Oh, no. No, no, no. I need to pull that up. I'm sorry.
You did that on camera?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Videotaping yourself and you burp like that?
Yeah, why? It's the real me. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed that little get to know me. If you did, remember to like and subscribe so we can grow this little family. So yeah, I enjoy doing these type of videos. This is a bit different from my fashion content, but let me know what y'all think. So if you want more or whatever type of videos that y'all would like to see me do, I can definitely do them or attempt to try to do them. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!